So this is my newest ZolarBoda solar cargo bike. It has a 170 watt solar panel, a large basket in the front, and a half a kilowatt hour of lithium iron phosphate battery. But right now I want to focus on solar electric cooking, so you can use solar power not just for the motor but also to cook. So I have this very small 1 liter rice cooker. You can connect it to the battery. So you see it's now on. So here I mixed half a cup of maize flour with 1.5 cups of water, cold water. So I'll bring this to the boiling point, and then I will mix the other half cup of maize flour to cook ugali. So after around 20 minutes the uji is cooking, so you can stir it a little bit to mix it properly. And then you mix in the remaining flour. And because like you already mixed half of the flour before with the cold water, this mixing is very fast, so it usually takes just 1 minute, perhaps 2 minutes. Next time I will take a little bit larger spoon. So now all the flour is mixed properly, so you just flatten it out. And close the lid. And then wait until it switches automatically to warm mode and keep it on for another 5 to 10 minutes, and then let it cool down inside the pot for another 15 minutes or so. So after having it simmering in the rice cooker without power for a couple of minutes, like I think it was like 10-15 minutes, then open it up and the ugali should be ready.